But he's in a lot of pain and can't move.
As soon as he stops talking, then it gets worse.
Okay. On this episode of ClaireTrips, we're 9 days into my 20-day road trip with my best friend, Justin. After leaving Croatia and having a little snack in Ljubljana, we continued on to Bled, Slovenia. We scheduled 2 nights there, giving us a good amount of time to enjoy Lake Bled and explore the area. Bled is known for its postcard-worthy scenery featuring the Church of the Assumption of Mary on the striking island in the middle of Lake Bled. Visitors enjoy taking a boat out to the little island, as well as swimming in the lake and enjoying Bled's picturesque walking trails. If you're a sugar fiend like me, make sure to try the local specialty, Bled cream cake. There are so many things happening right now. There's a fair behind me, there's a concert where they're singing Phantom of the Opera ahead of me. And tonight they're going to have 10,000 candles lit in that lake. It's going to be a busy, busy night. The big twist is that this is a man singing. I have no idea how we managed to come here on one of the biggest days of the year and have no idea, no clue. But that explains why all the hotels were booked. We had a heck of a time finding a hotel, but we're very happy with where we're staying and it's going to be a really fun night. This is what fair food looks like in Bled, Slovenia. This is incredible. Justin caught that the weather is going to be terrible tomorrow, and tomorrow we had planned to go to the gorge, so we went ahead and got up early today. And I'm going to do it today. Oh, pretty! Sunshine is here. Vintgar Gorge is an incredibly popular tourist destination only a 10 minutes drive from Bled. The trail is a little over 3 kilometers round trip and provides beautiful views of the gorge. During the summer, make sure to arrive right when the gorge opens because the parking lot and the boardwalks fill up very quickly. This is the line now. Alright, our stove is about 200 years old and there's only one setting that works and it's the highest setting. This could be a challenge. We're making our classic, which is eggs with tomatoes and onions in it. We're also adding spinach. Alright, here we go. Got some yogurt with some muesli in it. And a bit of bread. It smells good. Ooh. It's hiking time, because when you want awesome views, you go up. This is a steep one, so we're gonna take it slow, because I'm a wimp. This trip is giving us a great workout. All right, I'm gonna do a very fast drone pass here. Super quick. Justin's comment was, just wait until you see this. And I thought, yay, cool view. We've been cheated. Where's our view? Okay. We hit a fork in the road. We think we hit the wrong fork. Let's go to the other fork. I guess someone tried to drive a car through here. Unwise. Justin is extremely lucky his ankle decided to heal itself. Now we're just wandering in the woods. This man is the fastest hiker on the planet. We found the viewpoint. One of my favorite things to do is to show where I've hiked from, but on most of our hikes, you can't see where we hiked from. We hiked from right there. Do you need me to call 911? On our way down the mountain, Justin and I came across a group of 4 people. One of them had fallen off of a cliff. It was about a 30-foot fall with a bit of an incline, so he ended up rolling down the hill and falling headfirst into a tree trunk. When we arrived at the scene, his friends were in shock. One of them was screaming and crying, and the other 2 were just standing there. So Justin and I kicked into high gear and tried to help. While Justin was carefully navigating to the accident site, I called 112, which is the emergency number in Europe. Justin determined that the guy couldn't move his arms or legs. He couldn't even open his eyes because there was mud and dirt and just all kinds of stuff caked in his eyes. So Justin took off his shirt and used it to clean the guy's face off so that he could see. His friends had tried to call the police, but they weren't able to communicate to the rescuers where they were. So even though they had called the emergency number, nothing was being done to actually help them. When I called, I spoke slowly with careful, simple sentences, told them what trail we were on, as well as how far up the mountain we were, and they dispatched a mountain rescue team. When we figured out that the guy couldn't move his arms and legs and had fallen on his head, we knew that it was really important not to move him because we didn't want to injure him further. I'm really glad that we stuck it out and waited for the rescuers. Thank you so much for your help. I'm hoping it's nothing too serious, but he's in a lot of pain and can't move.
No, he's talking to you and stuff like that. He's okay.
Yeah, I think he has
as soon as he stops talking, then it gets worse.
Okay. He's right off of the trail. You can't miss him.
Okay.
There's 2 people with him.
Thank you.
When the rescuers arrived, they sent me, Justin, and his 3 friends down the mountain and started setting up a stretcher so that they could get him down the mountain safely. It was getting dark pretty quickly, so they wanted to make sure that we weren't going to hurt ourselves going down the mountain in the dark. They took him to the hospital, and it turned out that he didn't even have a broken bone. All he had was a dislocated shoulder, which is a minor miracle. One of the rescuers had even told me that that spot had killed somebody before, so he was incredibly lucky to make it out basically without a scratch. The biggest reason that I wanted to sit and chat with you guys about this is because there are so many things that you can do to keep this from happening to you, and I wanted to talk about a few of them. First off, wear good shoes when you go hiking. One of the members of his party was wearing flip-flops on this trail. It's not safe to wear flip-flops on a trail with high cliffs. It's just not. Hiking boots and tennis shoes with a good tread on them are both good options. Second thing is that if the trail has wires or chains or something for you to hang on to, use them. They're there for a reason. And so even if the trail doesn't seem like it's that dangerous, just hang on. better safe than sorry. Third thing is to always have a map of where you are going. The group didn't even know the name of the trail that they were on, and so when they were trying to communicate where they were, it was next to impossible because they had no frame of reference to give to the rescuers so that they would know where to go. The fourth thing is something that the group did do right, and that was to carry plenty of water on you. Even if you're not going to be out for that long, it can't hurt to have extra water with you. Two things that we always carry on us are a first aid kit and a flashlight, and some things that I almost always have on me are a compass, a fire starter, and a knife. I am so relieved that everyone came out of this safe and sound, but please, please, please prioritize your safety when you're out there hiking. Our final day in Bled was rainy and dreary, so I ended up spending most of the day resting in bed, working on retouching, and overall just recharging. We did get some delicious pub food at the end of the day, which was a perfect way to top off our time in Bled.